Okay, so our group is talking about equivalents, so in order to know what to do, you have to remember how to find the charge of your equivalent. So remember, it's not moles, because you'll be wrong. You have to look at the charge of the different ions that are in your compound. So if you have magnesium, for example, it's a 2 charge, so it'll be 2 equivalents. But if you have a chloride, that is a charge 1, so it will be a 1 equivalent.
Alright, so the question we are trying to solve is, in 100 milliliters, what would the concentration be of positive charge if we have 2.2 grams of magnesium chloride in milliequivalents and in milliequivalents per liter?
Okay, so for this problem, we're trying to find the milliequivalents of 2.2 grams of MgCl2. So the first step you're going to do is find the molar mass, and that's 95.211 grams over 1 mole of MgCl2.
So, and then the next step in our train tracks is we're doing the mole to mole ratio. And since we're trying to find magnesium, it's just 1 to 1 because there's only 1 ion of magnesium. If we were to do Cl2, then there'd be 2. And then our next step is we find the equivalents for each mole and for each charge. So there's 2 equivalents because there's a 2 plus charge, and we're only trying to find the positive charge, so we just look at the magnesium.
And then since the question's asking for milliequivalents, we go from 1 equivalent is equal to 1,000 milliequivalents, and then when we solve all of that, you end up with 46.2 milliequivalents.
Okay, and then the final thing is we're going to do is 46.2 milliequivalents. We're going to turn that into liters, and then we're going to get 462 milliequivalents per liter, and that's the concentration of magnesium chloride in our solution.
Positive charge are in a solution containing 19.5 grams of sodium sulfide. And so you start with your grams right here of sodium sulfide, and then you have your mole to gram ratio for sodium sulfide, and then your mole to mole, and then your equivalents to mole. And you just multiply all those out and cancel out as needed, and you get 0.5 equivalents.
So since the church is doing Light the World this Christmas season, we wanted to include this quote from Jesus: "All things whatsoever ye would that men should do to you, do ye so."
We made our own suggestion for Dr. Watt. Dr. Watt gives all Chem 101 students A's on their final exam.